there is a need of insurance?
Primary thing you should focus on buying health insurance, buying life insurance if you have dependents.
Many defense personnel already have lot of benefits when it comes, from the government. So why do you think they should still consider additional insurance coverage?
Insurance is something which protects your dream from being derailed by life's uncertainties.
Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome to today's podcast. I'm your host Mithul, and today we are going to talk about a topic which is very important for each and every one of us. That is insurance. And to help us understand more about it, I have our esteemed guest today, Mr. Amlan Chakrabarti, who is head of affinity business at Tata AIG. With years of experience and deep industry expertise, he brings in valuable perspective on insurance, risk, and financial security. He will help us understand through his experiences, learning, and insight about insurance in a meaningful and more practical way. Thank you, Mr. Amlan, for being here with us today.
Thank you very much for having me here. It's a pleasure, to interact with you.
So let's start by, knowing a bit more about your journey. What inspired you to be part of insurance industry, and what kept you motivated being part of it over these so many years?
So, yes, very interesting question. See, what inspired me towards insurance industry is a realization that, every innovation, right, brings new opportunities, and every new opportunities introduces new risks.
I'm
right?
sure, yeah.
Now, as the society, technology, and businesses evolve, right, the nature of risk keeps changing, right? And all I realized that insurance industry is one of the industry which will always stay relevant, right, in this particular era, because wherever there is, risk, there is a need of protection too, right? And the dynamic nature of this industry, coupled with, its ability to bring meaningful changes, right, in people's lives, is what attracted me towards insurance industry, and it even continues to engage me today. Right, so that's about it.
Great. So looking back, was there any moment in your personal or professional life wherein you thought that it gave you a very good lesson about risk and uncertainty and completely changed your thought process?
During my early days of career, right, I met quite a few people who lost their dear ones in some unfortunate accidents or, heart attack in, younger age, right? All I've realized that, uncertainty is not a possibility. It's kind of certainty, right?
True.
And preparing for uncertainty is our responsibility, right? So that's a key takeaway.
Wow, that's great. So my question was like, while you in 2 decades or in so many years of experience that you come across thousands of people, आपने बहुत लोगों से interact किया, definitely there were a lot of struggle stories that you must have heard, people coming, talking to you, reaching out to you at the time of emergencies. I'm sure you have faced and seen a lot of inspiring stories as well, right? लोगों ने आपसे share की होगी. So what lesson that it taught you while you interacted with so many dynamic stories?
Very simple. I'll answer this very simply. Okay, as I mentioned earlier also that nobody. I never met anybody who regret being prepared, right? But then I truly understood, right, that जो लोग ज़्यादा prepared होते हैं, right? They face the challenges of life with greater confidence and dignity.
True.
Right?
True.
It is how you prepare yourself. See, आपकी risk, मेरी risk बिल्कुल अलग है, right? आप पुणे से हैं, मैं मुंबई से हूँ, यहाँ पे हवा में पोलन है, राइट?
करेक्ट.
मुंबई में नहीं है. सो मौसम बदलता है तो आपको सर्दी हो सकती है. ओके, यहाँ पे मुंबई में मुझे नहीं होती, राइट?
Okay.
बिकॉज द वेदर इज डिफरेंट. समुंदर के किनारे है, राइट? सो शाम को हवा पलट जाती है. सो रिस्क इज वेरी डिफरेंट. इट्स बेसिकली फॉर यू रिस्क इज डिफरेंट, फॉर मी रिस्क इज डिफरेंट, राइट? इट इज हाउ यू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट, right? What are the protections you're taking? It's all about it. That's all.
Great, great. That's great. So, you know, even when I come across, talk to my colleagues, friends around, लोगों का बहुत mindset and perspective is like nothing will happen to me. I'm too young. I'm all healthy. I need not to worry. So why there is, why there is a need of insurance? So basically, they try to underestimate the risk in their daily life. So why do you think so that such things happen, or what is the mindset behind?
Human beings, by nature are very optimistic. ओके, हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि जो होगा वो अच्छा होगा, राइट? सी, आप घर पे भी कुछ गलत बोलते हो ना, आपको घर से टोका जाता है, गलत क्यों बोल रहा है, व्हाई यू आर थिंकिंग नेगेटिव, राइट? बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट व्हाइल थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव इज वेरी गुड, बट यू मस्ट थिंक दैट व्हाट कुड गो रॉन्ग इन योर डेली लाइफ, राइट? मैं घर पे हूँ, रिस्क है, ऑफ कोर्स रिस्क है. मैं घर से ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ ड्राइव करके, रिस्क है, ऑफ कोर्स रिस्क है. मैं ऑफिस में काम कर रहा हूँ, ऑफिस से निकाले जाने का रिस्क है, ऑफ कोर्स है, राइट? सो एवरी स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ यू फेस, देयर इज सम रिस्क यू कैरी.
Yeah, true.
हैव यू प्रोटेक्टेड योरसेल्फ? You need to answer yourself.
Yeah, I think
right? So that's about it.
ऐसे कौन से risk है, they just don't care about and they just ignore, probably knowingly, unknowingly.
Health emergencies,
Okay.
right? Income protect, job से निकाले जाने का खतरा, right? Inadequate planning for retirement,
Okay.
right? And periodic review of your covers. Every stage of life, risk is changing. As you grow in your life, risk is changing, right? When I'm bachelor, my risk is different. I just got married, responsibility, right? Kids, added responsibility, studies of kids, so and so forth.
So, another interesting thing, like, it's very normal scenario जब life बहुत uncertain feel होती है, things are not turning the way you wanted. So I think it's get very difficult for anyone to take or make any decisions, right? So how someone can make decisions when everything is uncertain around you and life बहुत difficult है आपके आजू बाजू सब. So
you should always focus on what you can control. Don't focus on what you can't, right? आपके कंट्रोल में क्या है, राइट? You can protect your family, build financial reserve, right? बैंक में थोड़ा बहुत पैसा होना चाहिए, right? तो build financial reserve, protect your family, right? And keep emergency savings, right? See, मेरे कंट्रोल में इतना ही है, right? बाकी कल को बाढ़ आएगा या भूकंप आएगा, वो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. मैं मेरे घर को इंश्योर कर सकता हूँ अगेंस्ट भूकंप, राइट? सो मैं वो मेरे कंट्रोल पे है, सो लेट मी डू दैट. मैं भूकंप का आना चेंज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, राइट? सो दैट्स अबाउट इट. सो फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू कैन कंट्रोल.
Wow,
that's all.
That's great, great. So is it all, कई बार लोगों का रहता है कि risk क्यों लेना, means they fear even to take calculated risk, so how we can encourage those people that calculated risk is actually okay to take?
पहले तो आपको समझना है कि कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क मतलब क्या है.
True.
Right? What is risk and what is calculated risk? See, I'll give you my example, right? Early days of my career, right? मैं एक छोटा business run करता था. I wanted in पुणे में, right? I wanted to be an entrepreneur.
Okay.
सबको, सबको entrepreneur बनना है, मुझे भी बनना था. right?
Haji.
And I failed miserably, right?
Haji.
Miserably.
Okay.
Now, what I realized is there's a huge difference between taking risk versus taking calculated risk. So, what is calculated risk is something which is backed by conviction and preparation, right? मैं convinced हूँ, right? So, all I realized that I had conviction, I wasn't prepared, right? So, अगर preparation नहीं है किसी चीज पे कूदने के पहले, तो फिर मत कूदो. Calculated risk will always bring greatest of opportunities for growth.
Okay. While you also come across a lot of people, and so while they deal with all these difficult situations, definitely you must have come across someone who has shown a great level of resilience, while managing a difficult situation. Anything that helped you to learn from, while meeting such people around you?
See, resilience is not about avoiding adversity, right? It is about preparing for it and finding strength to come out of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, basically, जो होना है, वो मैं change नहीं कर सकता.
True.
But उससे कितना जल्दी मैं उभर पाता हूँ is in my hand. So am I prepared for it?
True.
Right? So वही मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि you need to prepare yourself, right? कि मेरे पास इतना बैकअप है कि मैं उस adversity से जल्दी उभर पाऊँ, right? That's in your control. Do that.
So, what is that one misconception everyone has about insurance?
Insurance is an expense, right? Is the biggest misconception. It is never an expense. It's a tool which safeguards your dream, your financial aspirations, and everything else which you have worked very hard to build, right? So it's a protection tool. Don't look at it as an expense.
Yeah, in fact, a lot of learning for us as well here while hearing you. So,
I hope so.
yeah, very much. So, another thing, even very close relative of mine, mere friends around, I've seen them taking, even if they know the importance of insurance, they tend to buy it pretty much late in their career or life. So, why is that mostly there? Is it like lack of awareness or just
ये हमारा nature है, right? So, people prioritizes immediate needs,
yeah.
right? Rather than future risk. ठीक है? All I want to say that risk do not have perfect time. कभी भी हो सकता है,
Correct.
right? So आप late करोगे तो आपके पास आप उतना prepared नहीं रहोगे to come out of adversity. See, everything you've been asking is all interrelated. It is all about preparation, right? मैं लास्ट मोमेंट में एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ तो मैं ऊपर से ही कुछ देख पाऊंगा और जिस्टी लिख पाऊंगा. मैं साल भर जब प्रिपेयर करता हूँ, आई एम वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. व्हेन आई एम गोइंग फॉर एन एग्जामिनेशन, आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट कुछ भी पूछे मैं जवाब दे सकता हूँ. प्रिपरेशन.
There are people who are just starting their career now, right? So, what is that one type of protection that they should immediately look forward to?
Avoid getting early marriage. I mean, getting to marriage first, right? It's the biggest risk. Anyway, jokes apart, when you are starting your career, right? The primary thing you should focus on buying health insurance. Buying life insurance if you have dependents, okay?
Sure.
Buy personal accident insurance and keep emergency savings.
So,
Very, very important. Emergency savings. That's all. It's not rocket science, right? And enjoy your bachelor life.
Yeah.
For some time at least.
I think last statement most of the bachelors would like to hear. Anyways, what are what are some mistakes? What are some mistakes that people do while choosing the right insurance policy?
Quite a few. I would like to probably name few of them. Number one, buying insurance basis pricing. सस्ता है, right? ये सबसे बड़ा मिस्टेक है. ओके, आपको ठेले में भी ब्रांडेड शर्ट बेचते नजर आएंगे लोग, राइट? फैशन स्ट्रीट में खरीद लो, 2 महीना फैलो और फेंक दो, राइट? It's about it. Okay, and the second is under insuring themselves, right? Third is, declaring lesser information at the time of purchase, right? Somebody who drinks or who smokes,
वो नहीं
वो
बताएंगे
बताएंगे नहीं, राइट? और जब क्लेम रिजेक्ट होगा तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को
जी
कोसेंगे,
करेक्ट
right? And last but not the least, as I just said, that periodic review of your covers, which is very important. Every stage you should review your coverages. So these are the they avoid doing that. So these are the major mistakes people make while purchasing insurance.
अगर हमारे टारगेट ऑडियंसेस हैं, व्यूअर्स हैं, इफ यू वांट टू टेल द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इन जस्ट वन सेंटेंस, तो आप कैसे उनको बता सकते हैं और एम्फसाइज कर सकते हैं?
Insurance is something which protects your dream from being derailed by life's uncertainties.
Yeah.
That's all. Okay.
Nice.
That's a protection too.
अभी एक नया risk, in fact I would say a bigger risk or a most highlighted risk is cyber security, right? So
Yes.
and every day we hear a lot of crimes, cyber crimes happening, and
Yeah.
which is a great concern for every one of us. So why do you think even an ordinary person should be so much concerned about cyber risk? Because there are people जो ज़्यादा probably gadgets use नहीं कर रहे हैं, या हो सकता है वो ज़्यादा connect IT savvies नहीं है, या वो बोलते हैं हम तो ज़्यादा use नहीं कर सकते, why
IT
should?
savvy नहीं है, गैजेट सब यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
There's a difference, right? I might not be IT savvy. फोन तो मुझे एप्पल ही चाहिए, राइट? मेरा काम सिर्फ फोन करना है और शायद व्हाट्सएप देखना है,
करेक्ट.
बट फोन मुझे अच्छा ही चाहिए, राइट? सी, today's date, we all keep our money, our personal information, our memories. It's like मैं हर जगह फोटो खींच रहा हूँ, कैमरा नहीं है,
जी.
right? We all keep this everything online, right?
Yeah.
So naturally we are all potential targets, right? Because you are sharing everything online. Okay, मुझे आपका फोटो देखना है तो मुझे नाम टाइप करके फेसबुक में जाना है,
हाँ.
right? I can see who are your friends, and so on and so forth. Not difficult. So all I'm saying that if somebody is saying then मैं तो ज़्यादा online कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, we all are potential targets. So everybody should be well aware.
Especially I think जो senior citizens होते हैं, they are not too much using their own, जैसे even
Let me tell you,
UPIs and all.
they are not using UPIs,
Yeah.
but they will click every link they get.
हाँ, that.
Right? I have seen my mom, my dad, right? जो लिंक आया उस पे क्लिक करके भगवान का फोटो देखना है, right? कुछ और देखना है, हर दिन सबको गुड मॉर्निंग भेजना है, right?
True. So I can relate to what
Right?
you are saying. True.
No difference, right? आप किसी को भी पूछो.
Correct. So
Right?
true. Yeah. So what is that one common mistake that almost everyone does when they put their money or personal that actually lead to a risk related to money and their personal data?
So as I was saying, if you see people used to share where they are traveling on Facebook, okay, मैं ठेले में गोलगप्पे खा रही हूँ या खा रहा हूँ, उसका भी फेसबुक का फोटो है, राइट? उसके बाद मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ उसका भी फेसबुक का स्टेटस है.
जी.
I mean, you are sharing everything about yourself on social media and expecting you should be not targeted.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. right? You're inviting trouble for yourself.
Yeah, correct. So, have cyber threat changed the way you personally use technology?
Oh, definitely. I used to do the same, right? I was not an exception. But yes, I'm far more conscious now about my digital hygiene, authentication, data privacy than I was few years ago. Definitely.
Okay. Yeah, I think we all are getting now that
Yeah.
awareness, and we have to get into that habit.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, with AI becoming more common, do you think cyber risk will become even more riskier and even harder to detect?
Yeah, more Jamtaras are coming. I know. Yeah, okay. So AI will make such scams even more sophisticated. So, which is why it is very important for us to realize there is a need of more awareness and vigilance,
Yeah.
right? So,
True,
yeah.
true. अगर किसी के साथ कोई ऐसा ऑनलाइन स्कैम हो गया है, so as for what would be उनका पहला स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए?
आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए?
Obviously, reach out to the right insurance agent.
मैं पहला मेरा अकाउंट बचाऊं. ओके, इंश्योरर आंसर करे ना करे. सो फर्स्ट
First,
थिंग
I'll save
इज
my account.
सिक्योर योर अकाउंट. वहीं से पैसा जा रहा है ना,
True, true.
राइट? इंश्योरर तो बाद में आएगा प्रोटेक्शन देने के लिए,
Correct.
राइट? सो फर्स्ट सिक्योर योर अकाउंट, सेकंड इन्फॉर्म योर बैंक, right? Third, inform relevant authorities, and then document every possible evidences,
Lovely. Yeah, yeah.
right? जो भी evidences है उनको document कीजिए.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, quick but very important steps. Yeah, thank you so much. And yes, as you are aware, we are proud to serve our soldiers and their families. So yes, it's many defense personnel already have lot of benefits when it comes, from the government. And so why do you think they should still consider additional insurance coverage?
Government benefits provide a very strong foundation,
Yeah.
right? दो चीज आपको थोड़ा इलेबोरेट करके बताता हूँ कि सी ऐसे जो मेरे कंपनी से मिल रहा है मेडिकल कवर या गवर्नमेंट दे रही है कुछ कवर, दे आर जेनेरिक इन नेचर. वो आपको, हमको, इनको सबको एक ही नजर से देख रही है. सब हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं, राइट? सबको इक्वली पैसा बांट दो, राइट? बट आपके रिस्क, मेरे रिस्क अलग है. एवरी फैमिली हैज डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल एस्पिरेशंस, गोल्स, राइट? सो रिस्क इज डिफरेंट, राइट? मेरे बेटे को डॉक्टर बनना है, तो मेरा जो फंड का एक्यूमुलेशन होना चाहिए वो अलग है वर्सेस किसी और के बेटे को रिक्शा ड्राइवर बनना है, राइट? तो उसका एस्पिरेशन ही अलग है. गवर्नमेंट के लिए दोनों मेरे सिटीजन्स है
जी,
बट आपके एस्पिरेशंस अलग है, करेक्ट? सो व्हाइल government benefit can give you a protection, you must have your own protection curated as per your risk needs. Risk is very personal.
So, what are the key insurance products that every defense personnel should evaluate and why?
Life insurance, health insurance, cyber fraud, right? Home insurance, personal accident. That's all.
Quite it's complete spectrum
Yeah.
that.
मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ. That's up to you. Protection पे.
So, how does the health insurance complement the medical benefits available to serving personals and as well as veterans?
It actually gives you that added flexibility.
Yeah.
It widens your healthcare facilities, right? And it acts as a tool for medical inflation. So मेरे पास एक टॉप अप कवर है, राइट? एज गवर्नमेंट बेनिफिट, राइट? बट मेरा जो बेस है वो तो मेरे पास होना चाहिए, राइट? उसके ऊपर जो मेरे प्रोटेक्शंस मुझे गवर्नमेंट से मिल रहे हैं या मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मिल रहे हैं, दे विल ऑलवेज हेल्प मी ड्यूरिंग emergencies, or it'll help me in medical inflation, addressing medical inflation.
Great. I think you have enlightened us as well
I hope
here
so.
a lot and our viewers as well. So, a big thanks, Amlan, for
Thank you
being
very
here
much.
with us and sharing your valuable experience and insight. I'm sure we have a lot to learn and take it forward from this conversation. So, conversations like these definitely help us to understand insurance beyond just a product. In fact, they help us also to see how preparedness, protection, and planning shape our lives. And I hope this discussion has helped you to get more clarity and also encourage you to see insurance from a complete fresh perspective. Signing off, Mithul. Jai Hind. Stay informed, stay protected.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks, man.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
really
you.
lovely. Very,
Thank you.
very,
Pleasure, always pleasure.